Hi everyone in MMM Philippines and to all MMM Global community throughout the world. I'm Rilin, an active member of MMM Philippines. I'm from Daraga Albay, Philippines. Last August 28, 2015, I provided help with a sum of 20,000 pesos and MMM extra. So after 24 days doing a task and interest growing, last 3 days ago, September 21, 2015, I requested an assistant from my MMM Extra and my Mabro 30% with amount of 29,000 pesos. I am happily received 29,000 pesos, my total assistance. Thank you, MMM Global Community, especially the participants who has so fast providing help to me, and also to the founder of this wonderful opportunity, Sergi Mabrudi. Thank you very much. Mabuhay MMM Philippines. Together we change the world. Thank you.